and Benny. Let's clap and sing our ABCs. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Sing along with me. Lila claps, Benny bounces, hooray. Let's learn letters every day. A is for Arumaya, B is for Baldens, C is for cat name, D is for darlings, E is for elephant thumb, F is for frog jam, G is for giraffe fam, H is for hat dim, I is for ice cream hop, J is for jumped in, K is for kite in, L is for lumpin', M is for monkin', N is for nestin', O is for Odin, P is for penguin, Q is for queenie, R is for rainbow, S is for sundershut, T is for tree mug, U is for umbrella, V is for violence, or Dippy was conveying, X is for zebra, Y is for yo-yo, Z is for zebra. Now we know my ABCs. Sing along with me. Lila claps, Benny bounces, hooray. We learn letters in a fun way. Now I know my ABCs. Sing along with me. Lila claps, Benny bounces, hooray. Let's learn letters every day. Hey, we did it. Let's sing again. Now we know our ABCs. Sing along with me. Lila claps, Benny bounces, hooray. We learn letters in a fun way.